Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this channel we're talking about...
In this channel we're talking about personal finance, us as in revealing bits and pieces about our personal investing,
budgeting, saving,
couple finance,
financial freedom goal,
anything that's got to do
side
with money.
hustle.
This is how we go about doing things. For those of you who thinking of investing or started somewhere, your journey in terms of investing as well.
Yeah, in this particular video we're talking about our updates in the micro investing
using Space as well as
Raiz.
Invest. So at the time that it is being recorded, it is the day is the 26th, Monday the 26th of August 2020. Wednesday.
Yeah. Did you say Monday?
Monday, Wednesday. I don't know. Anyway, it's 26th of August.
Yeah.
Give them a rundown.
So we've been doing this. You've been doing this. I think since in January, February.
In the beginning of 2020.
Yes.
Put it that way. So the concept of it is simple. Invest $15. If you can buy lunch, you should be able to invest instead of buying lunch. For those people who is actually that have a full-time job and don't know where to start, this gives you a little bit of habit.
And I think is you can invest with little money. You don't have to invest with $10,000. Yeah. Because that's how I see when I first started trading shares. At least you want to have at least maybe $3,000 or $5,000 worth of share to start. But this for the micro investing the companies, you don't need that. You can start from $1. I think minimum is $5 for Raiz, as I remember. But these two companies are totally different trading
platform.
Yes, two trading platform and things that they trade in. One is ETF, Raiz is ETF, and Spaceship Voyager is they have their own. They handpick their own stocks to trade.
So, the concept of it also, if you don't know where to start, these guys do it for you. They handpick best performance product, best performance share. So that way you don't really have to do a lot of the hard working research, be in a computer 24/7. You don't do any of that. You just put it in and praying. Hopefully it's actually going to go up in value.
Yeah. And I prefer that because we've done single shares before.
Buy, hold, and pray.
Yeah, it's quite risky. Yes, it can go up a lot, but at the same time, it can go halt, which means the share just stopped trading and you lost the money. But these two companies, they are in like a whole basket of different companies, and they mix it together, and well, it shouldn't be that bad, right?
The concept of it is pretty. Also, we're trying to show people on a small amount of investment how much return can you get. I don't know how long we're going to be doing this for, but so far this is our journey. This is our update based on our personal account.
Yeah.
So
and I think the benefit I like is compound effects, because normally for just compared to single share, we don't do compound.
No. When
you receive dividend, I think I'm not too sure. You may be able to invest, but these automatically reinvest into your account. Whatever money,
so my way of thinking is, you buy lunch, you should be able to invest. If you're saying that, how much money do I need? Well, I'm only put down $15 a day. So technically $30 a day, because $15 on Raiz and $15 on Spaceship. And which is $105 a week per platform. So $210 per week for both platforms. So in Spaceship, I invest once a week. I don't do any other format of fiddling around.
I think they only can do once a week, weekly investment. Raiz is daily.
And Raiz is daily, and I don't do round-ups. For those of you who don't know what round-ups is, when you spend something on your credit card or on your debit card, whatever the spade change, you can go to the nearest dollar, can invest it to the platform. So I don't do any of that. I'm just purely $15 both platform every day.
But Raiz should have a better compound effect because it counts
daily. Yeah. That's what I thought actually.
Yeah, but because they invest in different shares, so you can't really compare.
Two different. Yeah. I guess it's like when you're looking at this type of investment platform, if you don't know which way to go, it's like pretend yourself driving cars. One of them, it's a a Ferrari or something, and then the other one would be like a Honda. So they're both gonna get you somewhere.
How fast can you be?
Yeah. Some of them can go really fast. Some of them can maybe go backward for a bit, or maybe break down on the way. That's how I see it. So this is our, I guess I'll go with Raiz first. So Basin Raise as a whole, where is it? So the whole entire, the whole entire amount that has been invested, roughly about 4,600, and $100 of that is a return from the
investment. Yeah, during the time.
So
for 8 months, let's say.
Yeah, from
about 8 months, right? January.
Actually, it says in here that I started as of January 14th. So that's still on.
You mind sharing the screen?
Okay, so hang on a second.
You don't have to hold it. Leave it.
So that's where we are.
4,000. That's your account.
So that's our account at the moment. So in the beginning, I actually only put down in the very beginning.
$5.
It's $5. Yeah. So $4.99.
I think that they have a minimum for $5.
Yeah, a fee or something.
But then we put a bit more. There's a big jump in there.
Today alone, made 31 cents.
Hey, at least it's a positive.
Yeah, some days it's gonna be a negative. For the month, $90, $92 or so. 3 months, $272.
The recent 3 months.
Yeah, the last 3 months that is. So as a whole, I made roughly about $117.
Yeah, trading is all up and down, but we don't want to trade. Again, we did day trading ourselves before. We've done that ourselves
in the past.
Just too emotional. It's not for us. I'm sure there are people it works. Yeah, I've seen it before.
Whereas this, I literally because it's small. It's small amount. I don't really. At one stage, I put down $1,000 on top on both accounts. And that's how we come up with about 4,600 at the moment.
And now Spaceship.
So we've got two accounts. One of them is your account, and one of them is mine.
Start from yours first because it's how you started the both of them together.
Correct.
And then you stop it, and I started at the same week.
So I stopped. But
so you are part 1, I'm part 2. Go.
Correct. So part 1 of it. Yep. Now the reason why I split is because. Well, the amount of money it's still the same, the $105. But instead of putting it in on my account, it's actually going to her account.
My name is just in long term for tax purposes.
So at the moment, $2,300 is being invested on my portfolio. Really, $495 has been returned.
Yeah. So by comparison. And this, I think, is only half of the investment.
Yeah.
And it is 5 times of the return.
So I put 2,000 in, and I've got about 500 back out.
Same time.
Same amount.
And you stopped at.
And I stopped at where is it? January, I think it is.
Oh, stop meaning we stopped putting money in, but you still let the money rolling.
So this big jump here. There you go. Yeah. Sorry if it's blurry, guys. So that big jump in the line, that's my $1,000 capital on top, and then after that, there's another big jump right there, somewhere around there. That's another $200 that I put down on top. But the rest of them, I didn't put any money.
Okay, let's combine my account because it's the part 2 of the account.
So I stopped putting, after the $200 top up, I stopped putting any money at all. But then I put $15 a day on her account.
Yeah, continue. Same. So in time frame, Raiz and Space Voyager is the same. Spaceship is the same. So my accounts are already accumulated to 3,300. Something like that. I don't know. I have to block something.
Anyway.
That's it. 3,300. And then we turn it 660 for the whole lot, and it's a nice steps. I did not put any extra money.
No.
It's been consistently $100 a week.
$105 a week.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was since February.
So,
yeah, February, end of Feb.
As a performance, both of them.
Oh wait, so all combined, 5,500.
5,600.
Yeah, something like that, and then it's already $1,000 return.
So yeah.
Crazy.
And that's less than a year.
So you say our investment's 4,000 and return 1,000.
Yeah, $1,000 is so because it's $4,000 on
exactly.
Raiz,
and you can see
$4,000.
We picked on the universe performance, which is the higher risk.
Correct.
They have two portfolios. We chose the higher risk.
Yep.
This is for the future companies that I think is going to grow and take over the future. And in year, 55% already in return. The so blurry maybe, but it's here. 55%.
I think it's supposed to be at the front there.
Oh, okay.
There you go. So it's 55%. Anyway, so imagine that. Imagine if you're putting down, let's say, $10 and you get 50% return in what is it, 9 months or so? Let's say a year. So if you put down $10,
it's not normal.
It's not normal.
No.
Now there is a risk involved. Hence why I put down only $15 a day. Now we can afford to lose that money. I mean, if you can't afford to lose that money, then I would not suggest investing little like this. And I would not suggest invest at all because have risk involved. Some of them is losing money.
Yes.
But at the same time, with that alone, there is potential that you can actually earn 50% of your money with not really doing much involved. Let the platform do what it needs to be done.
Yeah.
So yeah, as a whole, in conclusion, what do you think? Is it worth it?
Yeah, of course it's worth it. It's so positive. Like, ask me again when it's negative.
No, we did actually go down at the start of COVID,
in March.
when everything just shut down, Australia closed, everyone in quarantine.
Yeah, it was minus, yes.
Kaboom.
Yes, it did.
And it was a bit scary. And up to the stage where I'm like, this is not working out, let's just close the account. That's the thought process that I was doing. But we kept at it and we just keep on investing over and over again. And again, because we switch our mentality, I can afford to lose this.
Who advised you to do that?
So, and yeah, there's a risk involved, I guess, doing this. Yes. We'll try to keep on showing you guys our update as we go along.
But the thing is, I try to push you to keep going that because, it's cheap, we should buy more. When you go shopping, it's cheap, let's buy more.
So the same
who
mentality.
Knows now it's high, I don't know. It will go down, but at least we have some profit and still keep going it.
Correct.
Keep going.
So, and at the same time, without profit, we're not going to take it out. We don't see the need.
We don't need that.
Yeah, we don't need the cash right now.
Catch work.
And I would probably strongly suggest the same thing if you made a profit, just because now we'll make $1,000.
I'll say invest money that you can lose and you don't need it.
Yeah. And now,
right? The thing is, if you take it out, you lose your compound effect.
Yeah.
Compounding effect.
And I guess for some people, $1,000 it is a lot of money, and some people it's just a penny. We look at it. Look, if you think that's a lot of money, just keep on wait. Especially when you start young. If you look at it in the long term, can you imagine if you're getting 50% on your return every year for the next 30 years?
50 is just ridiculous. I'll say 5 and 10.
I'll be happy with like 10.
Yeah, 5 to 10. I'm very happy already. 50 is just. How can they do it?
We've spoken to a lot of, I guess, business owners. On an average, you'd be lucky getting 30% return on your product.
And that's hard working.
Yeah.
Hard working money.
Whereas this, it gives you 50% return so far anyway. With us.
Sounds too good to be true.
Yeah. I don't want to say that it sounded like a scam, but this is what the result looked like for us at the moment anyway. So we try and be, I guess, authentic. Give your review based on that.
Transparent and see how we go. If we lose the money, then we lose the money.
Well, the next thing will be we're probably going to be putting extra cash.
Maybe.
Maybe in the next couple of weeks or something, we're going to put down extra money for both platform, or is it just a single platform? Because obviously Space is actually performing a lot more.
Yeah.
So it gives, realistically, it'd be better off for us to invest on Spaceship because it gives us a higher return.
Correct.
But in that aspect, it won't be the same.
We can't compare it anymore.
We can't compare it anymore, whereas now we can. I mean, if we were favoring on one to the other,
you can never compare anymore.
yeah, so I mean, if we do that, it's a different playing field. Yeah, so I don't know, like, what would you guys do? We're still making a decision on that. I mean, would you, Spaceship so far giving us, you know, $1,000 return for $4,000 in, yeah. Raiz on the other hand, only about $100 return on a $4,000 in. So
that's 10 times more.
Realistically, if we want to make a lot more money, we would put it on.
But you don't know the future.
Yeah, we don't know what the future is going to be. So, yeah, decision. Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated.
Yeah.
Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, comment.
See ya next time.
Peace.
Bye.